I love using dominoes to teach the books of the Bible, mostly because it provides an exciting race and a satisfying end. You can purchase dominoes fairly cheaply at places like Oriental Trading, or since they hold up well with use, even your local thrift store might have some good-looking pieces. In any event, I like to have several identical sets because it provides you with racing options, and students love a good competition. First thing you will need to do is print out the names of the books of the Old Testament or New Testament, or both, on small return address labels and press them firmly onto the backs of the dominoes. Keep the sets separate for those students who prefer to work individually, but for those competitive souls, put students in groups of 2 or more, each student with their own set of pieces. Every member should put their dominoes in one pile in the center of the play area. The best place for this would be a tile floor, but a large table that doesn't easily jostle would work too. To really make it interesting, have the students start with the book names down and mix them up thoroughly. Each student then works to find and arrange a complete set of dominoes before the rest of the students in the group. Show students that the sticker names should all be facing the same direction. This makes it easier for them to check their work. Once they are confident that all the books are arranged in order, they should push the first domino and let them roll. Again, remind students to push the sticker side of the first domino so that a teacher or non-playing student can check to make sure the order is correct. If the books are in the wrong order, they must start again. Students in the group should keep working until a clear winner has been determined. Take one random domino out of each set and hide the pieces in the room. Tell the students that one domino is missing and that once they determine which one it is, they should go on a treasure hunt. Provide students with gloves or even mittens to wear. Hilarity or frustration will ensue as they try to carefully place the dominoes in order without toppling them prematurely. Have students work in pairs. The student placing the dominoes is blindfolded, while the other student finds and hands the dominoes to the unsighted student. Or have the sighted person give verbal directions with no physical help. This means the blindfolded student must locate and order the dominoes with instruction from his or her partner. Okay, I admit that's ridiculously hard, but some students need this level of challenge. You know who they are. There are so many different ways to help your students become more familiar with the order of the books of the Bible. Use your imagination and the resources at your disposal to create a fun, meaningful time of fellowship and learning. This is Becky from Experience the Bible Creatively, reminding you that props are always better than paper.